Well, good morning from Dynodaze, and in the house again is another EP3 Civic for us to tune today. So Richard's just put the AFR sensor in it. We're going to do a stock power run, see what she puts out as she is, and then we'll start tuning. So here we go. Okay, so not a bad starting point. It made 210 brake horsepower. It's got some modifications. It's got a bit of an exhaust. It's got a manifold and a catback system on it. It's still got a cat on it, and it's got a what looks like an AEM induction kit. But yeah, not bad. 210 starting point. Let's see what our Richard can pull out of this baby.
Hello.
It was an early start this morning, weren't it?
It was.
It was an early start. We had some specialist work to do, which was interesting. Can't do a video of it because it's government backed.
Yeah, be in trouble.
Be in trouble, wouldn't I?
Yeah. Have the FBI come and kick your door down.
It's basically a time machine that we were developing.
It looked like it, didn't it?
It would be amazing if it was a time machine, because I'd go back 5 weeks ago and start that project a little bit better.
Start it a little bit better. What, from our point of view, you mean? Or...
Well, maybe I'd perhaps, yeah, perhaps. I've not seen much of Uncle Keith today. He must be working really hard, mate.
He's beavering away, mate, yeah.
Beavering away. He's had some new fancy red nylon type gloves.
Has he?
Yeah.
Where the fuck's he had them from?
They were freebies from Toyota. Came down, handed us some freebies. Wanted to have a look at the paint shop. So that was nice of them.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
It does. So EP3, a couple of mods, a bit of an intake, and a bit of an exhaust. You look like you're concentrating, so I'm going to let you get on with that, Richard, and we shall convene at the end.
I'm always concentrating when you're messing me about.
I'm not messing you about. You mess me about.
You mess me about.
Don't say no to me.
You say no to me.
Don't say no to me. Will we have a react like this?
You're like a dickhead.
Okay, fair enough.
I'm going to make today's code word Gasman.
Gasman!
Gasman.
Gasman!
Yeah, that's today's code word. So
Yeah.
I'm just going to get that straight in there straight away.
Pop that in the comments below if you're watching at this
Yeah.
point in the video. Gasman! Black EP3.
Yeah, Black EP3 came to us basic reading mods as I'm going to see it. It's got a TypeR 4:1 manifold on it with sports cat. It's got a spoon rep exhaust, it looks like to me, also it looks like spoon rep back box anyway. It's got AEM induction kit, standard inlet manifold, standard throttle body, so very basic breathing mods in my opinion, this car. We've tuned it today on our system. And yeah, it's done well.
Yeah,
I think I'm happy with it. The customer's generally happy. We started off at 210 this morning. Like I say, not the ultimately best mods, in my opinion. I think obviously
it could do better, can't it?
It would definitely benefit from the Tegra 70mm exhaust for sure. Obviously going into a better induction kit and things like that. But we had a chat with the customer. He's happy, perfectly happy with what he's got. He said he basically bought all of the parts that are on this car for cheaper than he sold his standard cap for, because he's had some Facebook marketplace bargains, which is great. So he's happy with that. I think we finished the day on 221.
221. We made 30 brake horsepower in the mid-range.
Yeah, we did. Top end power did dull off a little bit, and I've sort of again explained to the customer the reasons why, and obviously where we've got some little.
You're a bit dull.
Yeah, a little bit dull. So some up and down in the graph, and obviously it's sort of, I would like always generally to get peak power and hold it on the top end, but we're definitely still tailing off at the top end, so we've definitely got a restriction there. It'd been nice to have made the 225, which is what I was aiming for.
Restriction.
Yeah, what is that plastic bag on that air filter?
Yeah, no, I love that one, don't I?
Well,
I always say when
they've
got the sock on the air filter, I was like, have you ever read a marathon? No.
With a plastic
Can you
bag
imagine we're only one with a plastic bag on your head?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the graph then.
Let's come on.
Okay, so as we always say, red line is as it comes in, blue line as it leaves. 30 brake horsepower in the mid-range at about 5.5 grand there. Extended the rev range out a little bit, lowered Vtec, and we finish on 221 brake, which is 194 at the wheels. Well done, Richard. There you go, another one in the bag. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Indeed.
We will indeed. Your shoulder's in my video now, man.
Sorry.
Oh, now your other shoulder's in my video. Oh well, see you on the next one.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.